Right, so first of all, I have drawn a grid. I used Adobe Illustrator to draw this, but you don't need to if you don't have Adobe Illustrator. You can just draw it outright on a piece of paper. So it will turn out like this. Then I've drawn a glass in the centre of the grid, and the same, I've brought it over to Photoshop, distorted it, and same thing, you don't need to have Photoshop, you can just do this on a bit of paper as well. Okay, the next thing to do is trace. Okay, so what you have to do is just make sure it's all lined up properly, and then just start to shade it in. Right, so ideally what you want to do is have a horizon line. I draw an horizon line. Okay, and then fill in. Now I wanted my base to be a little bit more thicker at the bottom, so okay, right, so I just found a nice blue. What you got to do is cut it out with a pair of scissors. Right, so we have our glass template or drawing. So now we're going to go and set it up on a table. Okay, yeah, so basically the general rule of thumb, as you can see, is perfectly flat, is to line it up and then take a picture. Right, fancy a drink, actually. Okay, so now you know what it's all about. Right, that was just a simple example. Next time we're going to be going a bit more advanced, and we're going to be designing this robot and then probably animating it after too. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the next one.